Today I'm going to be going over some basic stitches, and you can use any yarn and any hook that you'd like. I'm going to be using a large hook and some large yarn because I think it would be easy to see for beginners. And if you're curious as to what kind of hook that you need to be using, what you'll do is you'll just look on the package of your yarn, and on the back of that package it will tell you what size hook is recommended for that yarn. So hopefully this will help. And we're going to be doing a slip knot. So you're just going to take your yarn and you're just going to hold it like this. Okay, you're going to put the short end of it over this longer piece, and you're just going to pick up the longer piece like this and pull it through to form a slip knot. Then you're going to put your hook into the loop and you're going to pull on the longer end and just tighten it up. And we're going to be doing a chain. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the yarn over the hook. Then you're just going to immediately pull it through that loop that's on the hook. And that's the chain stitch. So you'll just put the fabric or your yarn over the hook and pull it through. Okay? Over the hook, pull it through, over the hook, pull it through, over the hook, pull it through, over, pull through, over, pull through, over, pull through, over, pull through. And that is your chain. And now what we're going to do is a single crochet. So we're going to turn our work and we're going to be working into this chain stitch, and we're going to be putting in a single crochet. So we're going to skip this chain stitch right here because that's going to help you turn the work, and it's going to come up and be right up there. So we're going to take our hook and we're going to go into the second stitch from the chain, and we're going to put the hook through that chain stitch. You're going to put your yarn over the hook and pull it through that chain stitch. Pull it through and pull it up a little bit. So now you have 2 loops on the hook. Now you're going to put the yarn over the hook and you're going to pull it straight through both of those loops, and that is a single crochet. So you're going to put your hook into the next chain stitch. You're going to grab onto that yarn and pull it through and up. You're going to put your yarn over the hook and you're going to pull it through both of those loops. That's a single crochet. Put your hook through the chain, pull the yarn through and up, put the yarn over the hook, and pull through both of those loops. Put your hook through the chain, pull that yarn through, put the yarn over the hook, and pull through both of those loops. Put your hook through the chain, grab onto the yarn and pull it up and through. Put the yarn over the hook and pull through both of those loops. Put your hook through the chain, pull the yarn up and through. Put the yarn over the hook and pull through both of those loops. That's a single crochet. Now this knot at the end was the Slipknot, and it's a little tight on the end. So a lot of the times I like to loosen it up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead, that way it forms a perfect square or rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and put another single crochet into that Slipknot stitch. Okay, and that was your single crochets. Okay, now we're going to chain one. So in order to chain, you put your yarn over your hook and pull through. That's a chain. Now we're going to turn the work around, and we're going to be working again into these single crochets. Now this time we're going to be doing a half double crochet. In order to do a half double crochet, we're going to put the yarn over the hook. And we're not going to be working in that chain stitch that we just did. We're going to be working into just the single crochets we did before. So you're going to put your yarn over the hook, and you're going to put your hook through the single crochet. And you'll have 2 loops right here on the very top. That's your single crochet. Now we're going to grab onto the yarn and pull it through and up, and that way we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through all 3 of those loops, and that is a half double crochet. So we'll do it again. You'll put your yarn over the hook, you'll put your hook through that single crochet, make sure you have the 2 loops on the top, grab onto the yarn and pull it through and up, and you'll have 3 loops on the hook. Put the yarn around the hook and pull it through all 3 of those loops, and that's your half double crochet. So put your yarn over the hook, put it through the single crochet, grab onto the yarn, pull it through and up, put your yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 of those loops for a half double crochet. Put the yarn over the hook, put it through the single crochet, pull your yarn through and up, put your yarn over and pull through all 3. And these are called half double crochets. The more you do it, the faster you'll get. And crochet takes practice. Okay, now on the end, this right here was the chain stitch. We are not going to be working into that chain stitch. And on the end, the last single crochet is going to look like a V. And you just go ahead and put your hook through both of those loops, pull the yarn up and through, put the yarn over the hook, and pull through all 3. And those are your half double crochets. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn the work over. And we're going to do a double crochet. So go ahead and put your yarn over the hook, and you're going to put it into that half double crochet, There's the 2 loops at the top. You're going to wrap the yarn over, pull it through and up. You're going to have 3 on the hook. You're going to wrap your yarn over, and this time we're just going to pull through 2 loops. So now we still have 2 loops on. We're going to put the yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. The last one was a half double crochet, and this one is a double crochet. So we're going to put the yarn over the hook, put it into the stitch, pull that yarn through and up, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through 2. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through 2, the last 2. And that's a double crochet. So we'll do it again. So you put the yarn over the hook, put it into the top of the stitch, pull the yarn up and through, put the yarn over, pull through 2, put the yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do it again. Put the yarn over the hook, put it into the top part of the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Yarn over again, put it into the top part of the stitch, pull the yarn through and up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Put the yarn over, put it into the top of the stitch, pull it through and up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. If you found this video useful and helpful and you liked it, consider going back and subscribing to Hook and Loops. I would really appreciate it. It would really mean a lot to me. Now here's the end part again. And this right here was the chain stitch, and we're not going to work in the chain stitch. We're just going to be working into this last one. Kind of looks like a V on the top. Just going to go ahead and put your hook through both of those 2 loops that are on the top. Pull the yarn through and up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Thank you for watching.